are going to love the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, power locks, security alarm, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, CD player, compass, power convenience group, trip computer, brake assist, SIRIUS Satellite Radio, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.